Welcome to Suburban DIY. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're a blessing to us. If you're new to the channel, we do all types of DIY projects. Today, we're in our backyard, what we call the Desert Garden and Food Forest. It's the end of November. It's an absolutely beautiful day, but the summer is over and you'll see these sunshades, which are here to protect all of the food forest from the brutal western summer sun. Summer's over, let's take them down, let's get into it. Before we take down the first one, I want to show you something. This is a repair I made on this big sunshade that's in the back corner about 2 years ago. And you'll see it's just a complete hack job to try to keep this thing together, but it's worked perfectly. We'll need to do this repair on the first one we take down. Let me show you. We have 4 sunshades. This is the first one we're going to take down, which is over the garden. And again, we use this so we can protect the vegetables that we grow. Right now, the winter crop is coming in. The sunshade's not needed in the winter. So let's take this one down first. The cord broke, or I don't know what you call this, mule tape. And it broke right there. So we will need to repair that. I don't know if we're going to get to it today. But nonetheless, I wanted to show you that we will be making that repair eventually, definitely before we put it back up next summer. The first shade we're going to take down is over the garden. It is a 10 by 16 rectangle, so it's got 4 anchors. We're going to start by taking off this anchor here first, and then we'll move to the other one, and then it'll be easier to get to the other 2. Good morning. Ran out of daylight last night, so we're back up early in the morning to take the final 2 shades down. So check this out. This is the biggest of all of the 4 sunshades. And we also had this tree clipped here because the tree was leaning out. But you'll see that this came right off the concrete. And you know, I pre-drilled those. I think I put some glue in there. Anyway, it totally ripped out from the wind. We have to repair it, but we're not going to repair it today because I broke my hammer drill. Anyway, let's disconnect it. Well, all right, the sunshades are down. We are fully ready for the winter season. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or considering subscribing if you like this type of content. We got tons of DIY videos. And to my subscribers, always thank you. You are a blessing to us and it really helps out the channel. Thanks. We'll see you again soon. If you'd like to see more videos on this topic, check out the Desert Garden and Food Forest playlist. Thanks for watching.